and welcome back. So it is shop update time. It is the spring launch and I'm quite excited. So if you want to grab any of these hats, you can do on the 21st in the shop, the Etsy shop. The link is always down below, so make sure you head on over and grab those. So just for a heads up, I am going away on the 31st. So the shop update is on the 21st. I'm going away on the 31st. So if you are after any of those hats, please order them before I go away. Otherwise, you're going to have about a 2 to 3 week wait. So just a heads up. Also, my hat blocks came in. I've got 2. This is a size 55 and I got a 60. So I'm quite excited to get to use these soon, hopefully. It was a big investment for me to be buying these. So I am quite excited to be able to start making my own hats, which is really cool. So I'm glad you guys can be on that journey too. Okay, enough of that. Let's talk hats. Now you guys have been here the whole time we've been making these hats. So you might have seen some, you might not have seen some, but we'll just go over them quickly. So we made some fabric flowers one video and then we burned a design, which was really cool. I've left this one plain underneath because not everybody likes a design underneath, but it did turn out really nice. The light brown is such a lovely colour. And I think I might do more hats with flowers because I think it just adds that little bit of something else. It's really cool. I like it, it's very nice. Cool. Next, I wanted to do a lighter one as well. So we went for cream with a spring flower design all the way around. A little bit of something something in the middle. The band isn't too in your face, it's quite plain, but nicely layered. And of course, it's got a beautiful pattern underneath. So this one is definitely for the spring lover. And of course, we'll go with absolutely anything because it's a cream color. But yes, very pretty indeed. Next, you guys will remember this one because we added fabric to the underneath. So this one's got the pretty pattern. And then we burned flowers on the outside, but I thought it wasn't enough. So I went over and I added all these cute little leaves. And the leaves look like they're falling or flying around, you know. A little bit of magic. It's got a layered band and then with some wooden accessories. But I think it turned out really well. I think it's way better with the leaves on it. So there's this one. You guys were there for that. Very nice indeed, especially for somebody that likes green like me. And then the last one we have is this. Everybody loves the mushrooms. Orange with mushrooms is always something that sells in my shop. And I love them. I always love the mushrooms. So it's got a layered band with some wooden accessories. The mushrooms on the underneath, very cute. So yeah, you guys seen these videos, you know what's coming. So of course, I didn't go mad and create loads and loads and loads of hats for this shop update. We've got 4, but there are 4 really beautiful hats and I really hope that they find their forever homes because I really liked making them and I like making them with you guys as well. So maybe I'll just keep this one because it's nice. Actually, they're all nice. But yeah, so shop update is on the 21st. I'd love for you guys to go and head on over and have a little look. Even if you're not buying something, just go over and have a little look. It's nice. And yeah, so I will see you guys next week. What is next week? I can't remember what next week's video is, but it'll be a good one. I think actually we're making something new that we haven't done before. I can't remember. I have a list. I have a list of things that we're doing. But as always, thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out and checking out these hats and being with me on this little journey because if you guys weren't here, I wouldn't be doing it. So definitely go and check out the shop update in the Etsy shop on the 21st. And as always, guys, I'll see you next week. Also, like and subscribe. Bye!